Hello, good morning friends. Today's my lecture is number system. Number system. The three type of number system in our syllabus in FIBCA: decimal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system. What is decimal number system? The decimal number system, we use decimal number system in everyday every work. The supply, the 2 rupees is given the one main, other 2 rupees given the 3 rupees transfer to our replacement. So daily work we use by the decimal number system over. They are 10 digit like a 0 to 9. Is the base of decimal number system is 10. The base of number system is 10. For example, 4, 5, 9, 8 means 4 is position of the thousand, 5 is position is 100, 9 is position is 10, and 8 is position is unit. Means this 4598. So this means the number is the 4598. This represented by the 4 multiplied 10 raised to 3, 30 means 5 multiplied 2 raised to 10 raised to 2 means 20. Then 9 multiplied 10 raised to 1 means 10, and 8 is unit by the 8 multiplied 10 raised to 0 means 10 raised to 0 means 1. So the number is the 4598. The decimal number system is base of 10. So another the binary number system. What is binary number system? In the binary number use of the computer or any digital device are used in the binary number system. The binary number system, in the binary number system, they are only 2 digit, 0 and 1, 2 digit. Decimal number system is the number like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So binary number system only 2 digit, 0 or 1, on or off. Means 0 1 is used depend on the bit. The base of the binary number system is 2. The binary number system is base of 2, 0 and 1. What is hexadecimal number system? The computer is understand microprocessor, microcontroller is use of the hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system, the base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. The digit from 0 to 9 are same as those of the decimal number system. Same for the decimal number system, 0 to 9 same. In the hexadecimal number system, the hexa is 10 is represented by the A. The decimal is 10, the hex is the A. Decimal number is 11 by the B, and 12 by the C, 13 by the D, and 14 by the E, and 15 by the A. So 0 to 9 is same of the decimal number system, and A, B, C, D, E, and F. So hexadecimal number system digit is represented by the 4 binary number represent. So hexadecimal number system is based of 16, 0 to 9 same, then A, B, C, D, E, F plus 6. 10 plus 6 means 60. The hexadecimal number system is based of 60. So a hexadecimal digit is represented by the 4 bit of binary number. The hexa to binary is conversion 4 bit. Means this number is the 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. 2 2 4 2 8, 2 2 4 2 8 2 16. 2 2 4 2 8 2 16. Means the base of the binary represent 4 bit binary. Binary na ketla bit? 4 bit is equal to hexa is 16. For example, 6 is represented by 0, 1, 1, 0. B is represented by 1, 0, 1, 0. Means F is represented by 1, 1, 1, 1. So hexadecimal number system is based on 16. So today's our lecture is convert of decimal number system to binary number system. So for example, decimal number system. Suppose for example 25 in decimal is convert of binary base of 2 means binary. For decimal to binary. So 25 in decimal, 25 in decimal. So 25 is represented by the number, the base of convert of 2 means the divide by 2. 25 divided by 2 means bar 12 multiply 2 means 24, bar 2 24 means 1 is remainder, then 2 6, the remainder is still 6 multiply 2 means 12, 2 3 multiply 2 from 2 6 is 0, then 2 ભાગ ચાલી જાય તો 0, ભાગ ના ચાલે તો 1. બાઇનરીમાં 1 ને 0 જ આવે, બીજો કોઈ નંબર આવશે નહીં, અહીંયા રિપ્રેઝન્ટ રહેશે નહીં. 3 બે ભાગ ચલાવો, 2 એકુ 2, 2 માંથી 3 માંથી 2 જાય તો 1. બે ભાગ ચલાવો ફરીથી, આના કરતા કેવી સંખ્યા છે? સ્મોલ. So 1 is transferred to here. So 1 is transferred to here. So write down is number. This number is LSB. This number is MSB. Means number is like this one. 1 1 0 0 1. Means 1 1 0 0 1. Means this number is represented by the binary. So answer is 1 1 0 0 1. So representation of this binary number is yes or no. So example. So reverse process. This is binary to decimal. Reverse process like this one. The binary number is 1 1 0 0 1. So binary convert of the decimal number system. What is decimal number system? The binary to decimal. So represent like this one. The first 1 2 3 4 5. The number n is equal to 5 means n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 means 4. So first is 1 is here, multiply 2 raised to 4 plus 1 multiply 2 raised to 3 plus 0 multiply 2 raised to 2 plus 0 multiply 2 raised to 1 plus 1 multiply 2 raised to 0. So this represented by number like this one. 1 multiply 2 raised to 4. 2 2 4 2 8 2. So 16 plus 1 multiply 2 raised to 3. 2 2 4 2 8 plus 0 multiply 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 means 2 raised to 2 means 2 2 4 plus 0 multiply 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 means 2 plus 1 multiply 2 raised to 0 means 1. Like remember 2 raised to 0 means 1. Remember of the example. So this number 1 multiply 60 means 60 plus 8 multiplies 1 means 8 plus 0 multiply 4 means 0. 0 multiplies 2 means 0 plus 1 multiply 1 means 1. 80 60 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 25 in decimal. So binary decimal to binary number system is binary to decimal number system represent like this one. For example 25 in decimal number system. So binary number system 1 1 0 0 1. In 1 1 0 0 1 binary number system, the decimal is represented by 25. So for each other, the example of like this one, binary to decimal, decimal to binary is same. So this conversion number system is same of the decimal number system. Another for example, another example. Another example. Convert 10 decimal binary, and then binary convert decimal. So first of all, the 10 is represented by binary. The 10 divided by 2. 5, 1, 2, thus means 0, 2, 2, 4. 1 is remainder. 2, 2 is 0. Then 2 is smaller than 1. This 1 is transferred to here. So up to down is write down the number 1010, means here the number is 1010. So this number is convert decimal number is 10. The binary number system is 1010. So represent of the decimal, another the binary to decimal. So represent as our number is the binary. Binary is equal to 1010 equal to decimal 8. So 1010. So 1 is first one multiply. The n number is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The 4 minus n minus 1 means n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 is 3. So 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 3. 0. This is 0. This 0. This 1 is here. Multiply 2 raised to 2. 1 is decrease of number. 1 multiply 2 raised to 1 plus 0 multiply 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 is the last LSB number. This is LSB. This is MSB. So the number is here 1 multiply 2 raised to 3. Baby chardu plus 0 multiply 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 means 4. Baby 1 multiply 2 raised to 1. B plus 0 multiply 2 raised to 0 means 1. So this number is 8. 8 multiply 1 is 8 plus 0 multiply 4 means 0 plus 2 multiply 1 means 2 plus 0 multiply 1 means 0. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 8. So decimal number system is 10. The binary number system is here. The decimal number is the 10. So answer is the 10. So binary to decimal, decimal to binary, and binary to decimal. The same number of the answer. So this convert this number, this convert of this number, this same of the number like this one. So two example is sufficiency of decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So another example is like this one. Next lecture is my what is binary number, decimal number is fraction number, means point. So next lecture is my represented by the fraction number. This is the real number, not point is number like this. Thank you.